we're currently heading to the church with the squad right now. How does it feel walking with no abayas on?
It feels good, to be honest.
Yeah? You like it?
Yeah, it was a little bit weird at first, but like I got used to it.
Yeah. What about you, George? How does it feel walking with no abayas on for the first time? Where are we heading to? Where are we heading to right now?
To the church, right?
Yeah, I guess so. Damn, it's hella crowded. I think everyone is out of school right now, right? Everyone goes out of school now, right? We came in a very wrong time, I think. What's up, D? Where are we? Are you excited, D?
Yeah.
Today, you don't need to do that. It's not that sunny. Stop being dramatic. It is not that sunny.
My eyes are sensitive to light, okay?
Stop being dramatic. Come on. Why you fall? Watch your steps. This is our cousin Nahom. He's the plug. He's the plug right here. You guys want anything?
Every way, we can't move without this guy right here.
Exactly. If you guys need anything, just call him, man. He has the city all figured out. Right?
Yes.
Back to you, Didia. Stop being dramatic.
You guys are very abusive to me.
Stop being dramatic. I swear it's not that sunny. Why are you the only one doing this movement?
My eyes are very sensitive to light.
Come on, man. Aren't you human? What are you? Come here. What? Everyone is such a troll here.
Whose man's is that?
I don't know. Solar lights, what's up? Nobody's doing that except us here, guys. We got solar lights. There's no way any light is ever turning off. Damn, Moses just left us and went. Moses, you seem so excited to go to church. Why are you running?
You guys know damn well this is the first thing that everyone wants to do.
Really?
Yeah. It's gonna be one of the greatest experiences I already tell, and I'm sure. Even though it's sunny as hell.
Yeah, it's really sunny, and I have a freaking leather jacket on. And you have a coat.
I have a coat, unfortunately.
Yeah.
No, I'm in a real now.
No, I'm just playing it. We told them like to wear some heavy stuff because it's cold, but it's not.
No, but it gets like really cold at the night, so I'm scared.
Out of the church. It was an amazing experience. This is our first time going to a church.
You almost tripped.
I almost tripped?
Yeah, you almost tripped.
I almost died. Once we turn on the camera, everybody just like goes mute, okay? So vlogging, it's really hard and awkward. Especially when you're holding a camera in the street, everybody stares at you.
Yeah. I don't know why Gina has a freaking ice cap on her head. It's really hard. It's a beanie, sorry, my bad, beanie.
First of all, I thought it was gonna be cold. Second, it's part of the look, so.
Dunya almost tripped like 3 times and almost got ran over by a car right now.
Look, she's gonna trip. No, I'm not gonna trip.
Gina has a stick just for protection. Just in case, you know, just in case anyone tries to mess with us. Hanu, what are you gonna do if anyone tries to mess with us? Yo! Look at that!
Why would you do that?
If you know how I feel, why would you do that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation, like, you know.
Don't do that!
George is really grumpy. Gina went out yesterday and then, nah, I won't show you guys the story.
The whole day she'd go out every single, every 10 minutes. Explore the whole every 10 minutes. She didn't explore, I swear she just go around the neighborhood. Yeah, right, yeah, no, don't listen to it. I did go around the neighborhood.
What did you explore? What did you explore?
Nothing! I saw the city.
So what's the one thing you explored?
Bro, I saw everything, like, I
All right, just name one thing you saw. Tell me one thing you saw.
I saw donkeys, bro.
Yo, you look so lit.
When I said it was a donkey, guys told me it was a horse.
It looks like a horse. It might be a donkey slash horse. I think. Wow. Oh, you want me to take her?
Struggles, real.
You don't know the city. I suggest you don't walk alone. Just like stay close to us.
I just like.
You might get lost.
I stay at the back to take care of y'all.
You stay at the back to take care of us. Yeah. Why is this
My crack is showing us. My crack is showing.
I just saw someone's butt crack.
How can I unsee that?
Gee, we're gonna go back home, eat some zigni, and then go to the cathedral, I guess. Have you seen the cathedral?
No.
You didn't explore that?
Bro,
I thought you explored something.
Okay, that's different. I didn't go there, but I went other places.
I had lipstick on my teeth.
Did you do?
I had lipstick. I
Yes,
removed it
you
right
had.
now. I had lipstick on my teeth. I just removed it.
No, you
didn't tell
don't
me.
have lipstick in your teeth.
I had lipstick.
Home sweet home. No, they didn't. Nobody ditched no home. This is it.
When they come.
Nabina. Delight. Yeah, massage. Why?